Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on TradingCam, and for this video I'll be using a quite special strategy on the 5-minute time frame, so make sure to check it out. And before we start this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, let's dive straight into this video. So for this video I'm partnering up with this crypto exchange that I traded before, if you guys are long following of my channel. So I'm going to introduce to you guys this exchange called tradeiq, because recently they gave me a lot of benefits for you guys and for me as well. So if you guys are able to sign up with my link, you just go to tradeiq, search up tradeiq on the web, click on this link. It's a Bitcoin exchange and that is verified. You guys can check out the credentials and everything. So basically, if you guys want to sign up with my link, so you can just go and click sign up. You guys will get a deposit reward if you use the Tristan Trading VIP code. The link will be in the description box below, so just use the link below. So right now, if you guys deposit 2,000 and trade 200k worth of crypto, you get an extra $100. Deposit 50k, you get an extra 2,000 if you trade 8 million, and so on and so on. So you can get up to 100,000 by just depositing. So personally, I would suggest to try out this bonus first. It's an extra 5% of your deposit, and that is honestly quite crazy that you're getting 5% of whatever you're depositing. That's like instant gain. And also currently they're doing this new thing called the copy trade system, and I am on the platform, which means that if you guys go to the copy trade, search up TradingCam, you can click here and copy my trades, which means that as long as you have money in your account, and they will copy whatever trades I do. So these are the trades that I've taken, and on the 7th day this week I've made about 500 profit so far. So if you guys copy my trades, you'll be able to make profit with me. And obviously I trade quite safe, and you guys can check all my previous trades. A lot of it has been small trades and a lot of wins. So you guys interested, just check it out, and yeah, just copy my trades, check out TradingCam, and yeah, deposit and get those extra rewards. And you guys will get a free VIP one, and I will do giveaways on this tradeiq exchange as well. So VIP one will give you lower fees, and tradeiq has already super low fees. So if we check out the tradeiq exchange fees, you can see that it's only basically only 0.02%. You guys can go Google it up, and with VIP one it is even lower. So anyways, let's just dive straight into this video now. So I'm going to show you guys the indicators that we'll be using. First up is your order block finder, experimental. You want to change this to the color scheme to bright. Next up is the hammer. So you want to kick this under technicals, not under community scripts, and you want to have search up shooting star as well. So this strategy is pretty simple. First up, you want to see whatever this indicator provides, this order block finder. So what you see on the 5-minute time frame is that they give you this bullish order blocks and this bearish order blocks. So basically the bullish order blocks are areas of supply and support, which means that people will want to buy at these areas, and you guys should buy at these areas. And bearish order block, same thing, it is a bearish order block, as it says by self-explanatory. It means that there's a lot of sellers at this area, and whenever price comes back to this area, you want to sell, and price is likely to go down. So does this mean that whenever we have the price comes down to this order block, we want to buy or sell? No, we have to have additional confirmations, which is where our hammer and our shooting star comes into play. So basically the hammer, if we look at the hammer itself, you can see this hammer right here. What it means is just basically it is this candle where it is just, okay, this is kind of a bad diagram, but so this is like a hammer candle. Basically what it means is that there's a small head and a long wick to the downside. And why is a hammer a bullish signal? It just means that the sellers try to push the price to the downside, but the buyers pushed it back up, and that's why there's a long wick to the bottom. And the same thing goes for the shooting star. If we look here, the shooting star is exactly the same thing, except you just invert it. It's basically an inverted hammer. So having a hammer means that it's a bullish signal, and having a shooting star means it's a bearish signal. So you guys might be asking, how are we going to combine this to make a strategy? So basically, whenever we want to identify a bullish order block. So here we have identified a bullish order block. We want price to come back down to this region, and we want to see the formation of a hammer. So here we have the most perfect example that I could find. You can see that we have this bullish order block formation. So let's look right here. So I'm gonna let it play. So here we have the bullish order block formation. So now we're gonna wait for price to come back to that region, and we want to wait for the formation of a hammer. So let's let it play. Here it's slowly going back to the region, and here it's touching this region. So now you want to look for a formation of a hammer. So let's just get ready, and here we have that exact thing. So let me go one frame back. So here we have the formation of a hammer, and you can see that you only want to enter the trade after the candle closes. So we enter a trade there. Stop loss you can put below this recent swing low right here. You can still put your stop loss as 1. You can put your take profit 1.5:1, and that is a winning trade. So same thing. Let's look for other trades. Now that's how you take that trade. So now we want to look for another trade. Let's look for, okay, so right here we have this trade, this trade right here, bullish order block, hammer formation, but the hammer formation is too far away from the bullish order block, so that is not valid. Let's check out. Okay, here we have another perfect formation. Okay, so see here we have this formation of bullish order block, and we have a hammer in the same region. So let's go back to in time and let's have it play out. So we have this formation of the bullish order block, so let's let it return back to the same region, and we have this hammer formation. We enter right there. Stop loss put below the recent swing low there, and a 1.5:1. So that's how you take the trade. And yeah, pretty simple trade if you guys ask me. Just look out for bullish order blocks and hammer formation. So now I'm going to show you guys how to take the ones with shooting star. So I've always shown how to take the ones with a hammer. Now I'm going to show you how to take short positions. So same thing, you can see that we need to wait for the formation of a bearish order block and a shooting star formation. So now we're going to look right here. As you guys can see, I clearly did not like cherry pick. It's just basically right beside the trade that I taken. So okay, so now we are waiting for the formation of the bearish order block. Here we have a bearish order block formation. Now we're waiting for a shooting star. Okay, no shooting star formation. As you guys can see, you must wait for the candle to close before you have the signal. So as you guys can see, that was in the middle of the candle and there's no shooting star formation. Same thing here. You want to wait for the candle to close first. Okay, now we have this signal right here. You can see that the candle closed and it became a shooting star. So you want to enter there. Stop loss put above the swing high, and a 1.5:1. And that is another win right there. So as you guys can see, this strategy is pretty simple. So what we're looking for the formation of the order blocks before you're looking for a confirmation of the bearish or bullish sign of the shooting star or the hammer. So it's a pretty simple strategy. Hopefully you guys will be able to learn, and if you guys honestly just want to test the strategy out, really make use of the fat-ass deposit reward. Just deposit 2,000 and you trade 200k this strategy, you'll get an extra $100, and that is a 5% gain on your account already. And if you guys don't trust yourself, or you want to try to maybe make an extra bit of money, you guys can also just check out the copy trading function. Search up trading camp on the copy trading function, and then just check out my trading camp here. You can see that I have 108 trades. I have won 94 trades and lost 14 trades. I have like an 85% win rate, and this week I'm up $400 to $500, and yeah, you can see all my previous trades down here, so nothing to worry about. It's completely transparent. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's a relatively special strategy, and yeah, I would recommend that you guys check it out, and yeah, check it out yourself. And one of the more powerful strategies that I've tested so far, and personally I have traded this strategy as well. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye guys.